One of the key elements of our roadmap is the CMMS Masterdata. It is everything that resides within your computerized maintenance management system. We start with a hierarchy. You must make sure that all the assets in the field reside within your CMMS. To build that asset hierarchy, you need a standard like ISO 14224. It will help you build a complete and accurate asset master equipment list. Now, another key element is the bills of materials, the BOMs. Those BOMs are all the spare parts needed to complete either preventive maintenance activities or reactive work. Those BOMs must be precise, complete, and accurate. Also, something that is highly important is that you make sure that all of your parts are properly coded within your CMMS. That will prevent having duplicate entries, especially when you have multiple OEMs who provide you with multiple parts lists that in end will have a big impact on your storage, your cost, and of course, the reliability of your program.